How to pin post on Facebook app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to pin post on Facebook app. It's so easy and quick. So let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook, and now all you need to do is click on those 3 lines and go to your profile. Now there is your post, for example. All you need to do is click on those 3 points again, and you're gonna find the first option, which is pin post. Now look at the post. It's gonna be on the first thing on my profile because I just pinned this post. And you can just unpin this post, but click on those 3 points and click on unpin post. And this is it. This is help you to keep a post in the first one on your profile. It's so easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.